Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. If you look at in Nifty yesterday, Nifty was below 50-day moving average, but today Nifty has opened above the 50-day simple moving average and it has closed above it. So here in this video, we'll look at whether this trend is going to continue or the market is going to turn around at some point of time. Before we dive into our analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So now let's start with Nifty first. On daily time frame, the Nifty previous high is at 23,800 levels, and this is also previous month high. So this is going to be very important. Any clean close above this, there is a good possibility a pullback might be there, and there could be a higher highs in this month. We still have 10 more days left. We need to see whether the prices will close above these moving average or again come back and form an inverted hammer. Now let's get on to our daily analysis. So today what happened is, again, yesterday I was speaking about there is a good possibility Nifty might go for 23,050 levels because that is the value area high. So because of the acceptance yesterday, prices likely go for that. But today what happened, prices have opened outside this value area, 19th Feb value area. Then there was a down move. But again, remember guys, whenever you see a huge gap up like it has happened, it's very rare that the prices will straight away go downside and get accepted inside previous day value area. It might happen, but it's very rare. Whenever you see a strong gap up like this, it's better to wait for 1 hour to 2 hours. If you see a sustaining of that levels, then you can be pretty sure you can go for longs if there is going to be a pullback downside. That is what happened, and this high itself is a weak high. So this weak high denotes that some seller is coming in around these levels. Look at this, some seller has come in here and some seller exactly at the first 30 minutes high has come in. So think about it guys, some seller is coming in here. On what time frame the seller would be selling? On 30 minutes it will be short term seller, and the short term sellers, they have less capacity to hold the levels. So if the buying is strong enough, the seller, whoever is coming around these levels, he will be forced to unwind strongly. So if he unwinds, there will be a strong up move like this. So you need to watch whenever the price is rotating around references like this. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, there is a good possibility, if not tomorrow, Monday, there is a possibility this POC and this 23,290 levels might get tested in futures. But at the same time, let me also caution you, this today's profile itself is a double distribution day. So morning there was a distribution in the IB itself, and later in the afternoon there was a distribution outside the IB. So whenever you see these double distribution days, these are least reliable, and there is a one time framing market. In my previous videos I have mentioned this. One time framing markets are very strong markets intraday. This happens very rarely, less than 5% of the time. So whenever it happens, you can't bet against this market, but these are least reliable. So when I say least reliable, so what happens, prices comes around in a very short span of time. So double distribution day, again, as I said, these are least reliable. So there is a good possibility, if at all tomorrow prices closes below 23,120 levels, there is a good possibility prices will come down to 23,020 levels in a day or two. So for tomorrow, till the prices doesn't come below 23,120 levels, you can be sure the prices will go for this 23,290 levels. Or if at all there is going to be a big gap up, that is going to be a little bit trickier. There is a strong selling all the way around this area, so these sellers might anytime kick in around 23,350 to 23,400 450 levels. So for any kind of further up move, you need to again look for 23,550 to 23,580 levels. So acceptance here, again we will see further up move towards 23,800 levels. So this is with Nifty guys. Coming to bank Nifty, what I was speaking yesterday, again I was saying, because the prices got sustained above 49,200 levels, it will likely go for 50,200 levels. So if you look at today, it's almost near to 50,200 levels, which is the value area high. Today the market itself again opened outside the value area, indicating initiative buying is there because of divergence in the first 30 minutes itself. Whenever you see this divergence here, the buyers are not that strong in the morning 30 minutes, but later as the prices makes lower low, the buyers whoever are presented here, they find the prices to enter again at lower levels and they enter. So for tomorrow what you should be looking, look for prices sustaining below 50,040 levels. Any sustaining here, you will likely see 49,910 levels, and it will likely go for 49,830 levels, and likely it will even go for 49,700 levels. For any kind of longs guys, you need to watch for 50,310 levels. So any sustaining around these levels, there is a possibility bank nifty might go for 50,450 levels, and it might even go for 50,600 levels. Better don't trade between 50,100 levels to 50,300 levels. So it's a very narrow area where there could be a little of fight. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Bank Nifty guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.